Denver 7 Weather Action Day continues. It's been very active on the eastern plains and off into Kansas, where there's a brand new severe thunderstorm watch for west central Kansas. That'll go until midnight. The one in eastern Colorado goes until 9 p.m. Now, the Denver area has had some scattered storms around, but the severe stuff has all been off to the east, and you see some very heavy weather in northwestern Kansas now and extreme eastern Colorado, parts of Kit Carson County and Yuma County. As far as the Denver area is concerned, we've had a few thunderstorm cells that have moved past downtown, and these will likely get stronger. Also, some fairly good action up toward the Greeley area, but there's still some cells back into the mountains, so we're not completely out of the woods yet here in Denver. This is what the skies look like looking east from our Viero camera that is just east of DIA. And so scattered strong storms through 9 p.m. and then clearing skies after that. Will drop to about 62 by 11 p.m. Today, the high temperature reached 83 after starting at a rather cool, comfortable 54 this morning. The averages are 89 and 60, and right now our temperatures are cooling off a little bit at DIA because of that passing storm. 68 degrees while it's 83 downtown. Pressure's on the rise and the humidity is up to 70% with those scattered strong storms. We're right on the edge of hotter and drier air to the south and west, but this weather front is going to hang around for tonight and most of tomorrow for eastern Colorado. That's where the severe weather is east of that, where there's higher humidity. Some low clouds northeast Colorado by morning. Rest of the state will be mostly clear. Morning lows 63 out west at Grand Junction, about 55 in Denver, and cool in the mountains, just in the 40s. As a matter of fact, even 39 up at Walden by morning. But metro area will be mid to upper 50s. Some low clouds and patchy fog up in the South Platte Valley, mostly clear farther to the west. By midday tomorrow, start to get some building clouds, even a few scattered showers in the mountains, warm and dry in the plains, and then widely scattered storms tomorrow. Better chance farther to the east than over the metro area. Temperatures tomorrow will be nice, in the low to mid 80s on the plains, 60s and 70s in the mountains. Farther to the west, 92 at Grand Junction, some 90s down to the south and east. And tomorrow, the strongest storms will be over northeastern Colorado as this front begins to push toward the east of us. So looking ahead to Wednesday, the hotter, drier air starts to build in. Definitely hot and dry on Thursday, but you'll notice a little increase in the monsoon moisture to the south, and that's going to come back in here, it looks like, starting Friday and bring us back into a chance of some showers and storms into the weekend. Here's your 7-day outlook. 83 tomorrow with a few afternoon storms. The most likely area for severe storms will be northeast corner of Colorado. Wednesday is mostly sunny and 88. Thursday, 93, and then that monsoon moisture starts to return. That'll bring us back into a chance of afternoon storms. Looks like the best chance will be coming up on Sunday with a high of 88 degrees. So after the storms, we'll get some heat coming our way for a while. Stay with us. We'll be right back.